Good morning students of class 9. Welcome back to the online classes now. I hope you are going through the online portal every day. You should not miss your classes. Now today we'll do English first. The Adventure of Toto. Now so far we have talked about grandfather Toto and the writer. Grandfather took Toto to Saranpur as he has to go to collect his pension, and on the way Toto was kept inside the kit bag and it kept on rolling, jumping, hopping, and people were very much curious about seeing the sight of the bag rolling about. And when the grandfather returned home, the presence of Toto was kept secret from grandmother. And finally, when grandmother was in good mood, the presence of Toto was exposed or revealed, and grandmother accepted. Now let's go to the points. There are 7 points over here. We'll go through one by one. Number 1, when grandmother was in good mood, when she was very happy, the presence of Toto in the house was revealed. Revealed means exposed, told. It was finally accepted by grandmother. Previously she did not like animals, but now maybe grandfather must have persuaded her, made her understand that animals also need love. So finally grandmother accepted the presence of Toto in the house. Now number 2, Toto was given a comfortable home in the stable, and there was a family donkey. As we have already learned that grandfather was very fond of animals. He kept a number of animals in the house. He had a goat, a family donkey, a tortoise, rabbits, and now finally he has added Toto in his collection, to his collection. Now there was a family donkey named Nana in the stable. Nana was kept in the stable. And during the night, grandfather went to check what Toto was doing. So when he found, he was quite surprised that the donkey was turning its head away from the manger where grandfather used to keep the grass. Grandfather was surprised to see why the donkey was keeping its head away from the place where it was tied. When grandfather turned around with a lamp to look what is the reason, he found that the Toto was sinking its teeth in to the ear of that donkey. So that means Toto always troubled the donkey. It never let it sleep properly. It used to disturb all the time. Sometimes he used to pull the tail of the donkey. Sometimes he used to bite the ears. Sometimes he used to climb on the back of the donkey. So it used to trouble him very much. Toto kept on troubling Nana, the donkey. They never became friends. So you see that, as we know that the monkey is mischievous by nature, very much troublesome. So it never let the donkey sleep in peace or rest in peace. It used to trouble all the time. So now we are on point 4. During winter, a great treat for Toto was a bowl of warm water for bath. Grandmother used to keep hot water for Toto to have a bath. So Toto was given a warm bath every evening, and Toto really enjoyed taking bath with hot water. or taking bath in a bowl of hot water. So it really enjoyed. First, you can see there, first it used to test the temperature of the water with its finger. By saying this, by going through this, we can understand how it acted. First, the Toto used to feel the temperature of the water with its finger. Then it used to put one foot inside the bowl and the other, and used to sit there. First, it used to test the temperature of the water with its finger and put one leg first and then the other. Rub the soap all over the body, and it used to sit there inside the bowl, enjoying the warm water, bath with warm water, till the water gets cold. Number 5, it used to hop out. Once the water gets cold, it used to hop out and run to the kitchen fire. During this process, if anyone sees and laughs, it used to avoid bath. It used to avoid warm water bath. So during this process, nobody should laugh. If anyone laughs, then it used to get annoyed, it used to reject, it never used to take the bath. So actually Toto did this because it has seen the writer doing the same thing. The writer used to feel the temperature, used to put one leg inside the bathtub and used to sit inside. The same thing Toto has copied. So Toto, during this process of taking bath, as he had seen the writer doing this, he had copied the same thing. So that's why he acted like a human being. So now, next time there were 2 events. One, he used to take the bath. The way he used to take the bath was very amazing, very surprising. He acted just like a human being. Now, the next time, a large kettle was kept on the fire, on the stove, to boil water for tea. And grandmother was out in the garden. Finding no one in the kitchen, the Toto entered the kitchen. And he looked around, finding nothing to do. He went to the fire and tasted the water with his finger, the temperature of the water. Finding nothing to do, Toto entered the kitchen when there was nobody in the kitchen, as grandmother was out in the garden, and finding the water warm enough for a bath, it hopped inside the kettle. It hopped inside the kettle was quite big, and the Toto, the monkey, was very small, a baby monkey. It sat inside the kettle, and the fire was burning below, and the water was getting warm. For some time it was okay, the temperature was good, but as the water starts getting hotter and hotter, it starts coming out, jumping. During the excitement, he could not come out because the shoulders used to get stuck, and it used to jump up about. First, it tried to come out. Finding the temperature of the air quite cold, he sat again. And after a few minutes, when the water was quite hot, unbearable, it starts hopping. And luckily, the grandmother entered the kitchen and pulled him out of the kettle. Otherwise, he would have been boiled. If grandmother had not entered the kitchen on time, Toto would have been killed there. He would have been boiled alive. So now we will meet in the next class and continue our lesson. This much for today. You go through the online portal every day. Don't miss it. And stay safe. Use your time wisely. Invest your time in your studies properly. So that's all for today. We'll meet in the next class and continue our lessons. Thank you very much for watching.